welcome to another Drive with Care video. I think in this video what I'm going to do is take you a little bit around Folkestone. So we're going to navigate the part of the high street that is not pedestrianised. There will be roundabouts, there will be lots of things to observe, and of course hazards, lots of hazards. So what can I expect? Lots of parked cars, pedestrians coming out from parked cars, lots of junctions, cars trying to edge out of junctions, mostly because they can't see, and that's what you do, isn't it? You try and edge out. There will be trophies and raspberries for indicator usage. So we will get cracking on the red and yellow circles and triangles. Sorry, yeah, red and yellow as of now. So we're approaching a roundabout. Lots of cars crossing. I want to go right, so indicator on. Got a runner. I'll let the runner go through. Bus coming all the way round. And it's all clear for me. Car to my left, but he's going on. Indicate off the roundabout. All good. Lovely avenue of trees. Lots of parked cars. So of course, yes, I'll be narrating as I go along. Parked cars means pedestrians coming through, kids playing, cars pulling out of parked areas. But it's all very calm. Got a junction on my left, nothing coming out. So another roundabout ahead. I want to go straight across, so I don't indicate on, but I will indicate off. Nothing to my right. I indicate off to let pedestrians and other car users know what I'm doing. So I want to go left on this next roundabout. So indicate in advance, check behind me. Sounds like I'm a driving instructor, doesn't it? There's Lighthouse Driving School. It is my boy. Okay, so there's someone wants to park. Oh, didn't give me enough warning. Only indicated once he was reversing. Could have stopped with an indicator there. I won't creep out past him until this other car has gone. So I've got buggy, car turning right, waiting for me. There's a car blocking the junction because there are pedestrians crossing. We've got a zebra crossing here. Lady and child want to cross. Give way to them. There's another lady approaching on the left, so we'll let her cross too. Could be a man. Who's to say? Car waiting to pull in on the left there. I can get through, so I'm going to proceed anyway. Pedestrians on my right. Cyclist. I'm going down to where the bus is, so I've got to watch out for pedestrians and cars coming out. Someone loading the car. Oh, car coming out. No indicators at all. Indicating right. Is he going right or is he going to pull up? Right, I want to go left at these lights. They are green, so it's my right of way. Still watch for pedestrians who don't want to wait for the little green man. Good. God, you've got to get your wits about you on the high streets, haven't you? Lots of pedestrians. I think for me it's watching out for all those little cars, watching out for cars coming out of junctions. Entering a one-way system, so I can only go left. It is give way, but the lights are red on the right, so I can go. I'm going all the way around here. What I'm going to do is take you down towards the harbour arm and then we'll come back up onto the high street that way, and that will have covered the video. Kind of a short one, but plenty to observe and be aware. Lots of people in front of me here, all with their backs to me. I consider them a hazard because they could just walk into the road without seeing me. Pedestrian crossing. This is clear. The lane on my right filters into my lane. Roundabout, so I want to go left. I will indicate left, if only for the car behind me and the pedestrian. Now as I approach this section, which is one way, I want to go right, so I'll let the white beamer know I'm coming right, far enough ahead of me that they didn't feel the need to wait. That's fine. I want the left-hand lane. I will indicate because the pedestrian knows what I'm doing. Although I was in the left lane and it was filtering left anyway. Right, an awkward give way here. I have to check on Untitled Street if anything's coming. Nothing is, so I shall carry on. Taking a right. Another one-way system. I have encountered cars coming down this one-way system, so you know it's one way, but don't assume that someone. Remember that golden rule number 3: everyone on the road is mentally deficient, so it's all up to you. So again, lots of parked cars, but it's one way, so I don't have to consider pulling in to give way. I want to turn right at the T-junction. Car's turning right, no indicator though. Nothing to my left, off we go. Didn't want to come out, so that was fine. The road swings round to the left, which is where I want to go. Pedestrian with dog. Pedestrians on my left. Traffic lights all clear. Right, lots of pedestrians here. So just be careful with kids balancing on bollards. They might fall off in front of you. Passing the hotel entrance, so anything could happen here. Down to the seafront. Where Saga are building lots of flats. That's progress, people. It's bright today. Right, I want to go left at this junction, so I'll indicate left just in case any car coming down the hill needs to know what I'm doing. We'll go up the road of remembrance. Pedestrians, one to his back to me, they're the hazards. The ones approaching me can see me. Girl on the left there. I can't imagine she would walk out into the road, but you never know. Chap with a red t-shirt, same principle. Consider them a hazard. Car coming down, kind of narrow, but we'll get through. And then we're back up to the top. Round the roundabout, indicate right, mostly for pedestrians. It's kind of one way, but the cars need to know. And we're back to the top of the high street. So that's a bit of navigation of Folkestone High Street and checking out all the hazards. Thanks for watching, bearing with. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now, and drive with care.